A very foggy morning to all of us. So papasok po tayo this morning. Ingat po kayo lahat. God bless to you all. Keep trusting the Lord. Ingat. Nakikita nyo, very foggy ang morning natin ngayon. In a snowy country like Canada, natural lang to. Tawid muna tayo mga tropa pips. We have a bus to catch. So very foggy, babe. Tawagin ko kayong babe. Ayun na yung bus natin. Minto ka please. Ito ang inyong Kuya Marky. Tingnan nyo, nag-snow. Maliliit lang siya. Alam nyo guys, itong gloves ko na North Face.